Today we're over in Brooklyn Park and I'm so excited to show you my newest listing. This is 10367 Quail. This one's situated right between the Mississippi River, parks and trails and playgrounds. And the high school is right down the street. And then inside you're gonna love so many of the features. Like it's got 4 bedrooms upstairs, it's got the large master suite and the laundry upstairs. On the main level, it's got tons of great features, including a main open layout. And built in the early 2000s means everything is like new. So I'm excited to show you. Come on in, let's check it out. You're gonna see there's a ton of features right off the bat from this 2-story open foyer with plenty of room as you come in. It's also flanked right by a perfect home office that's great for anybody that's gonna be working from home. As we continue through, something I absolutely love about this home is the mudroom space, which you just don't find in this price range. It comes in from the 3-car garage there, of course, and then it's got a full walk-in closet for your mudroom. Plus it's flanked right by the powder room, which is perfect if you're entertaining guests. Engineered flooring goes throughout most of the main level here as you continue through to your living areas. So you're gonna see we've got a large living space, it's very comfortable here, plenty of room, and it's got that gas fireplace with a granite surround. You've got plenty of dining space as well, and then there's also bar top seating. You've got granite counters all throughout the kitchen, stainless appliances, tons of storage, and there's even a walk-in pantry. 1, 2, 3, and 4 bedrooms all upstairs, as well as the laundry, which is super functional, which is gonna mean you don't have to carry all that laundry up and down the stairs. Then at the end of the hallway, you're gonna see there's this huge master bedroom. It's got the trade-in vaulted ceilings, the grand entrance into it. It's also got 2 huge walk-in closets and a giant bathroom. I don't normally show you downstairs unfinished basements, but with this property, it's got 3 full egress windows. So if you need additional space or want some easy equity, this could be perfect. You could easily get 1 or 2 additional bedrooms plus a full bathroom, and it does have a ton of storage. Besides having a huge indoor living area, you've also got perfect opportunity for that indoor out entertaining that we enjoy in Minnesota summers. You've got this large deck here, which is perfect for a grill. And then again, we've got this huge corner lot. Thanks for hanging out with me at 10367 Quail. If you could see yourself living here, I would love to get you in for a private showing. So just shoot me a call, text, or email, and we'll make it happen. My name's Joe Carmack. Thanks for watching.